morning, guys. Very good morning. Our last night was a beautiful sleep. It's morning 7:30. Weather is somewhere around 3 to 4 degrees or बहुत extreme. So today's plan is we are going for breakfast. ये मार्च की सुबह अभी हुई है.
Very good morning.
पहले तो ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, बहुत भूख लगी है, and then we'll start the day because today we have a long day.
And it's very cold outside, as you can see. I'm shivering. Woo! Yeah.
Let's start.
Hi guys, we are going for mountains too.
Following the
Not morning, it's afternoon, and we are going for a museum plus a trek. So let's start the trip.
And look, this was a fortification. This is one stone. Can you see? It was a fortification to protect this cave. It was around the city. But now destroyed by the earthquake. This is a sandstone. At the beginning, they were several natural cave, but the late people started carving this huge massive. It was like soft. It is a sandstone, very soft. That's why it was easy to cut out it, and also it is destroyed. Uplistsikhe collided more than 700 caves, from which nowadays we have about 100 caves. Most of this part fallen down by the earthquake.
Sorry.
Look, this we have one column which protected now, but it just on those. But this is central of the column. We can see the fragment one and two, which we are connected with the steel with all columns inside this new one, right? Place calls the name Hollow Quintamar. This is the one of the grandest hole.
So this is the place where they used to make medicines from the plants, which is the Ayurvedic medicines.
The mansion is a temple. Looks new around, but it was destroyed by time.
So I hope guys you enjoyed this trek, and this was not a trek but this was a kind of a museum which was built in the mountains. Too much. और ये देखो यहाँ पे photo session.
Love you guys.
So stay tuned as we will be going ahead today with some more good places. Usually Tbilisi and Georgia people opt for 2 to 3 days, but अब जैसा traveler खान कभी 2 दिन में काम नहीं करता. I have decided to stay here for 5 days, and this 5 days is going to be full of exploring almost, not all, but almost the maximum part of Georgia. So with this I'll sign off and I will take you all to my next location. Till then, enjoy the music. Hello guys, good afternoon, and you can see this Greek church behind me.
Guys, my friend Rio, Hamdaank Khan, Traveler Khan, and me as well, Siddharth, our lovely friend.
Georgia.
The lovely place of Georgia. We are enjoying it. Too much cold, but for us it's now okay. As you can see, we are shivering, but it's okay for us. Yeah.
So guys, we came to the end of the day, our home sweet home. So today was a very beautiful day. In fact, I love this place so much. आप लोगों ने भी I hope पसंद ही किया होगा इस जगह को देख के. Much recommended. Beautiful place, beautiful weather. Tomorrow is going to be again a beautiful day because there are many things to do. So thank you so much for making me a part of this video, guys. I'll see you soon tomorrow in my next vlog. Till then, stay happy, dream big. Viewers, I love you all and have a great life. Take care. I'll see you soon.